Yo, what's up, guys? I'm back here with another video, and we just got this cylinder on, so we gotta tighten up the four nuts so we can mount the cylinder head and get both sides on four sides. Gotta make sure you're doing it evenly. If you're not doing it evenly, then it's not gonna go on easy. So yeah, you gotta make sure they're real tight on there. And then the ones that you can torque, you torque them down. And it's this tricky one in here. Boom. Make sure you get that hand tightened in there. And then start tightening it down. Yeah. Hold the motor when you do it so you don't go too far. Yeah. Once those are tightened up, you get the torque wrench. So I'm gonna get the torque wrench and I'll be right back. Alright, I got the torque wrench. So I'm gonna set it to 18 foot-pounds. Actually get this better. Better look for you guys. Get that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but set it to 18. So we're at 15, 16. Okay, gotta tighten this nut in. And then, well, so now we torque the cylinders. Alright. It slipped off. This is supposed to be more done in a better area. I have it on a loose table, so that's why it keeps on moving. So yeah, my bad. Fix you guys. So, alright, I'll be back when I'm done with this. Okay, so I go. Okay, so we tighten up the. I'm back. So basically, yeah. So I tighten these four nuts up, and now it's time for the cylinder head. Get the dowel pins in. Once the dowel pin sits in right, it should sit flush. This one's having a little trouble seating in properly, as you can see right here. But we're finna torque it down. Well, first we get the nuts and bolts on, but you guys get the gist. So let's get these nuts on real quick. It's 5 of them. One more in my bag. Okay. These are all brand new, by the way, so not dealership. Got these from Home Depot. Alright, so also these are supposed to be at 18 foot-pounds, so let's try and do that. One, you want to go into a star pattern. Make sure you hit a click. You can see, right? Yeah, you can see kind of. Sorry if I block it. this is just a bad spot to do it, so there we go. There we go. Last one. And there we go. I know you guys might not be able to see some of them, but at least you guys heard the click. So, yep. So now it's fully on, and it should have compression now. Let's put the Kickstarter on real quick. Temporary. Should have. Let me see. Put you guys down real quick. It should have. Yeah. Yes, a lot. It has lots of compression. Lots and lots of compression. So that's good. And so I'll be back. I'm gonna switch this engine to the other side so we can do the flywheel. So yeah. Alright, so we got the engine on the side. We're back and we're gonna take off this side cover. Okay, I might have to set this down real quick. Just to loosen these up a little bit. At least. So that I can do one hand like a pro. Okay, now I can do this like a pro, guys. I don't need the extension no more, so this. Okay, gotta put the flywheel on. This engine did not come with the flywheel, so yeah, that one's a little bit more oomph. There we go. Loose. Can't get that one. Oh, the temperature dropped. Okay. Sorry. Like that. Have to drop that. Yeah, I didn't loosen all these. It seems as if. All the way out, and all the way out. Okay, looks like some of them are all the way out. One more, my bad. And yeah, here it is. Listen, yeah, I know guys, it looks a little dusty, but hey, it's gonna get the job done. So, I got the nut on here. Should be hand tightened. It's hand tightened, so. I'm gonna put you down because the flywheel is right here. So I'm gonna get the flywheel out the bag and then I'll be right back.